Hello everyone, this is Aniket Soni. Welcome you all in this video series. Let's talk about Linux. In this particular video, we're gonna create custom commands in Linux. For creating custom command in Linux, we will follow these steps. So our first step is to create a directory where we kept all our commands. For creating a directory, I will switch to my terminal. So for creating a directory, you will need to hit command mkdir followed by the directory name. We are done with our first step. Let's move to our second step. Our second step is to create a simple hello world script inside the above directory, which is our custom command directory. So to move inside this directory, hit command cd followed by the directory path. So now we are inside our custom command directory. Now we need to create a simple file. I am giving this file name as a first script without any extension. Inside this, I am writing a simple echo command. Now we have saved this file and we are done with our second step. Our third step is to make this file executable. For making this file executable, hit command chmod plus x followed by our script name, which is first. We are done with our third step. Now our fourth step is to add a path of the directory to the path variable in basrc file. So for knowing the path of our directory, hit command pwd. This will tell the path of the directory. Here my path is /home/personal/custom commands. Copy this path and go into your home directory. Here you're gonna see your basrc file. Here you can see that here there is a file called .basrc. Now get into this basrc file via any editor. I am using Vim as my editor. Now for exporting path, you need to add this line. This particular line will help to add path into path variable. I am adding my path which I have copied earlier. So now hit the save. Now you have saved the basrc file. To apply the settings, hit command source followed by .basrc file. Now we are done with our fourth step. It's time to check our command. Hit first script, which is our script name. Hooray! We have created our first script. To create our second step, go to the same directory which we have created earlier, which is custom command. Now we can create as many command as I want in this directory. We don't need to do fourth step, but we need to follow second and third step in order to create different scripts. For creating second step, create a simple file, name second script. Inside this, make a simple echo statement. We have created our second script. We need to make this file executable. To make this file executable, hit the command chmod +x followed by the script. In this condition, we have second script as our script name. We are done. Now we need to test our command. Yes, our command is running. We can create as many command as we want in this directory. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, do like, and please share this video.